Mr. R.P. Shah, Managing Director at Chemtree Enterprises Private Limited, in an interview with Wire and Cable India magazine, presents a rundown on the recent rebranding of the business as Chemtree, their product portfolio, the market reach, and their future plans going ahead. Chemtree offers wire drawing lubricants, pressure dye systems, wire drawing machines, wire plating and cleaning lines, spares for the wire drawing machines, wire straightening units, lubricant applicators, descaling brushes, and so on. These products are used particularly in the steel and stainless steel wire production. Further, the company also provides wire rope lubricants, a range of cleaners for stainless wires and tubes, single pass drawing oils, and general lubricating oils and grease for the steel industry. Mr. R.P. Shah explains, in India, our major focus from the beginning has been to serve the high carbon and stainless steel wire markets. We also see that our business is picking up in the low carbon wire segments as well. The company's focus is positioned on the steel hot rolling segment, wherein they are in early talks with some eminent companies from Europe who can undertake complete turnkey projects. Speaking on the plans for the company, he elaborates, their long-term vision is to be a complete solutions provider to the steel industry in India and across the globe. It will be their constant endeavor to establish Chemtree as a brand that can achieve this vision. Presently, the company has been exporting some small quantities, and their next goal is to export the products that they have recently started manufacturing in India.